Hello friends, you might have noticed this wonderful array of crap on this bed. We are in what is not a bedroom, but kind of a spare room, kind of an office type situation, but we've just been using for storage. Today's task, we are going to try to get a little bit more organization here because we need Jesus. So come along and I'll show you everything that we need to actually get done. Well, this is some of the stuff that I've already gotten out. Decent last minute Christmas presents in there, white elephant gifts in there, stuff for outside, a random pillow, a very sad pug. So this is the doorway, and when you walk in, you have a corner and the bed in just that little space that is exactly enough for a double-sized bed. A bunch of crafting crap right now. Yeah, a bunch of crafting crap. That's actually a bag of electrical equipment. Tripod and coffee are coming out. That's not even our modem router. I don't know why we have it. We also have a random pile of food in here because we kind of use this space as extra pantry storage, like little party favor type stuff. We also keep our glass recycling in here because, as you can see, it does not have a lid, and foster care regulations say that that's dangerous if it's not kept behind closed doors. There are canvases and poster boards over there, so more crafty painting stuff. But here is the ultimate goal, a bookshelf, and we want to clean out a lot of the space on the bookshelves so we can fill the bookshelves with actual books. And we have only cleared this much space on the shelf. Books, more books. Also, in the canvases, I found 2 paintings that we need to take down because they are highly inappropriate. I think Kid is currently distracted with Minecraft, so I might be able to take these out into a safer location, but maybe hide them in the top of a closet or something until we are ready to give it to K. Mason. Status update. Current state of the bookshelf. I'm getting pretty exhausted. Okay, so as you can see, the floor does not have any food anymore. Still got the glass recycling. I don't know what's in the bag. There's not as much crap on there anymore. All the artsy canvases are pulled out and we are deciding if we want to display them. And this is the current state of the bookshelf. Some stuff got rearranged up there. The office supplies are now just in that corner. We don't have the binders in here anymore. Books. Cleaning rag. More books. And a map of Skyrim. I want that hung up though. Current state of the bed. Still has the foam rolled up on it. Now has Legos on it. Yeah, lots of computer stuff too. And the current state of the kitchen. Gross. Well, my life is in shambles and I'm not even sure if I filmed a logical conclusion to today's episode, and I'm sure I didn't, and I'm sure that there is much more work that needs to be done and much more improvement that needs to be done to all of these rooms. Right now, I think we're at a stopping point. and the rest can be saved for later, but feel free to share any of your storage solutions and organization hacks down below in the comments. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope to see you next week. Bye!
It's really
Are you gonna do something cute, or are you just gonna snooze? Oh, you're smiling. You're happy you have that bone. And you're happy you have your blankie.